Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen and I'm sharing with you guys today some thrifted items and ways you can update your home decor on a really low budget. This video is also sponsored by Poshmark. If you guys have never heard of Poshmark, it is the easiest way to buy and sell items online. I love selling items online. It is super easy, and I'll show you guys how to do that in just a minute. But if you guys are looking to buy designer items, new and used items, you will find them on Poshmark. They have over 4,000 different designers, and you can save up to 70% off of designer name brand items. So you guys, I'm gonna show you guys a little bit about Poshmark right now. Okay, so the first thing you do is just open the Poshmark app. It is free to download in the US, Canada, Australia, and India. So I'm just going to show you how easy it is to sell on Poshmark. So what I do is just open my Poshmark app, and then at the bottom in the middle it says sell. So what I do is I just take a ton of pictures of the item that I am selling. So you get a thorough description, and then when you are done taking photos, I take quite a few. I think you can add up to 10 per post. So I just take a ton of close-ups, and if there's like a little like nick or like a mark, I always make sure to also post that in my photos. So now I'm just filling out the description, and this is real time right here. I just want to show you how quick it actually is to post. So right now I'm also measuring things out so I can have a good measurement. I always look at the description and the measurements and things like that, because it'll tell you if it's in good condition, used condition, brand new. And then also, if you're going to purchase an item, you definitely want to know the size of it to make sure it fits in the area that you want to put it in your home. Also, I have a ton of questions always about shipping on Poshmark if you have to figure out shipping. And no, you do not. Poshmark actually sends a shipping label right to your email. So all you have to do is print it, stick it on the box, and ship your item. But if you guys want to download Poshmark, click my link in the description box below so you guys can start buying and selling on Poshmark for free. This first DIY is a super easy one. I picked up these galvanized bins from Goodwill, and I got them both for $6.29, which I think was an absolute steal for both of these. So the first thing I'm going to do is just try to get this to stay put. That was the hardest part. So that's why you're going to see scissors and all kinds of stuff next to it, because I'm just trying to hold this in place. So I am going to be using these Dixie Belle furniture transfers. I love using these. I think they make any kind of like thrift decor item, or even if you have something laying around your home that you want to just upcycle and redo, these are great. So I'm just using the piece that it came with to rub these on. So all you do is peel the backing off, put them in place where you want, and whatever object you're using. And it comes with like this crafter stick or this popsicle stick, or it's probably a transfer rub-on stick, whatever we want to call it. But it always comes with all of these transfers. And then if the transfer is not coming off, you just kind of smooth it out again a little bit more until it all comes off. These are kind of pricey, so I always try to peel these off slowly so I do not mess them up. And this one, I have to say, was my favorite out of the entire roll of transfers. This is the whole reason why I bought them, and I knew that it would look perfect on this galvanized piece. For this smaller container, this smaller galvanized piece, I just wanted this L to come off, and all you have to use is some nail polish remover. I didn't have any cotton balls, or I would probably have used one of those, but paper towel, toilet paper, whatever you have, will get this right off. So always have nail polish remover on hand. You never know when you're going to need it. And it's not to paint my nails, obviously. And this, just using another one of these transfers. This one says fresh from the farm, fresh eggs, premium quality. I think this one is really cute. I also have a silkscreen transfer by Dixie Belle as well. And those work really great, but this is the exact same transfer as the silkscreen transfer. So anyways, you may or may not have seen that already on my video, but I thought this one was super cute and had to use this one as well. I love the way these turned out. This was so easy to do. It only took a few minutes to upcycle these pieces. And like I said, this cost me $6.29 for these containers. And I have used these transfers many times. So you definitely get your money's worth. This table right here, I'm going to be redoing with this Kills chalk style paint. It was almost a light blue. I'm not sure exactly what color. I could not find the actual color of this, but I was prepping, getting this all ready to go. And as I was painting this, I realized that Kills paint is my least favorite chalk paint to use. I feel like it just soaks in. You have to do like 200 coats of paint. It's absolutely not my favorite. I picked it up because it was at Walmart on clearance for $10. It was 50% off. So I'm like, wow, like that's a really great deal on chalk paint. Like I'm running low. I need it. So you're going to see that I'm painting this. This was technically just a solid primer because I end up spray painting this. And this is the Moss Green by Rust-Oleum. It's in satin, which is not my favorite finish. But to be honest, I was actually really happy when this was finished because this satin color, I think it's just going to be a lot easier to clean this table if you actually decide to use it. Normally, when I paint small tables like this and I keep them in my home, they're strictly for decor. I just take like a duster or a microfiber cloth and just wipe it down with nothing just in case. But if you seal everything right, you shouldn't have an issue. I'm just using this Chalk Couture Silkscreen Transfer. This says Farm Charm. This also came with a bunch of farm animals, which I absolutely love this. Transfer. So I'm just using the bright white chalk paste, and then I'm going to pull this up, and I love the way this white looks with this moss color green. DIY, I'm only going to be using that square sign right there. This was $2.29 from Goodwill, and I'm using some more of those Dixie Belle transfers. So you can see that it comes with a ton of these. You can do a ton of different crafts with them. I was going to do the larger one as well, and I just painted the backs white. I didn't show that because I literally just painted the backs white. I decided to go with these cotton stems. I think these are so pretty. I was going to cut them up and rearrange them, and I'm like, you know what? I actually just like them all different directions. I think it just makes the piece I don't know. I just really liked this piece a lot, and this also took no time at all. So you can redo things for very inexpensive. And like I said, I think this roll of transfers was $26. But I've already made like 4 or 5 pieces with this, so that's why I think it's a killer deal. And I'm going to use every single one of these transfers eventually because they are all so stinking cute. DIY is so simple. So I found this rooster, this chicken. This is from Walmart, and I think they're a dollar and some change. They also had cows, pigs, and the truck. So if you want to pick some of these up, I found them at Walmart in the crafter section. So I'm just using the crimson red color. This is by Waverly, and that's all I'm doing to this. I'm painting it red. My mom actually totally made me paint this red. She said, go outside the box, stop using black, stop using white. It's just my favorite to use. I can't stop using it. But you will see a little bit of white and a little bit of black in this video. So once the chicken was done, I just started dry brushing around the edges with some Waverly chalk paint in white. And all you have to do is put your paintbrush, wipe it away in some paint so you barely have any paint on your brush, and it works like a charm. So I wanted to do that just to give it a little bit of dimension, and I think I'm actually really happy that I decided to do that. Then when that was done, I just added a buffalo check bow. I picked those up off Amazon and glued it to this cute little piece. This is also from Goodwill. It was $3.29. But you guys, that is it for my video. I hope you enjoyed these really quick and easy thrift DIYs. And if you did, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, consider sticking around and subscribing. Also, don't forget to check out Poshmark. My link is in the description box so you can download Poshmark for absolutely free in the US, Canada, Australia, and India. But that is it, you guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.